we're here with Matt. And we are here at the Pocono racetrack. We were in the Corvette. Now this Corvette has a little bit of horsepower, but this thing right next to us is 800 wheels. So we're gonna run down the track, do a little bit of roll racing, but unfortunately we're probably gonna watch this guy walk past the Corvette like it's sitting still. So Matt, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, we made 2 passes already today. We'll put up times on those in a little bit, but this is our 3rd run, so here we go. Like not even like just going.
Talk about gap.
Oh my. All right guys, so just got completely destroyed by the BMW. Like, wasn't even a race. Even a race.
Oh my god. It's like we weren't even moving.
Literally got walked by a, I don't know what, an old E36.
It's like an old M3.
Yeah, it was awesome. It was such a great time. We're gonna talk to that guy in a little bit. All right, Matt, good?
Good.
Woo. All right, head back.